How to use Webtoon app. Open the Webtoon application. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. You can see various manga comic series over here. Scroll down in order to see more. The contents will be recommended for you. Tap on the option watch that you can see at bottom. Now you'll be able to watch the trailers and episodes of the series. Tap on the option search in order to search for the specific contents. You can browse by categories over here. Tap on the category of your choice. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the series related with that particular categories. Tap on the series of your choice. Now you can start reading the episodes of the series. Likewise, you can go back, tap on the option canvas. Now you can explore the canvas over here. You can discover the stories from indie creators. Scroll down in order to discover more. If you want to become the creator, tap on this option Want to become a creator. You can find the information regarding being the creator over here. You can follow these instructions in order to do it. Tap on the option My in order to access your series. You can find the recent, subscribed, downloads, unlocked, creators, etc. over here. Tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen in order to access more options. You can see your coins over here. You can find the options like search, settings, Webtoon shop, creator feed, coupons. If you want to go to the Webtoon shop, tap on the option Webtoon shop. Now you'll be able to shop for the Webtoon items over here. Likewise, in order to access the settings, tap on the option settings. Now you can access the account settings over here. You can also see various options like language, resolutions, etc. These are basic settings you need to know in order to use this app. Like this, you can use Webtoon app. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.